How to schedule Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. Once you land to the profile page, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. First, you have to switch your Instagram account to the professional account. So click on this option of Creator Tools and Controls. You will get the option of Switch Account Type. Click on it and then switch your Instagram account to the professional account. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now you will be able to schedule Instagram Reels. At the bottom, you will find different icons. Click on this plus icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now at the bottom right corner, you will find different options. Click on the option of Reel. After you set it to Reel, now select the video. Now click on Next. From here, you can crop the video. After you do that, click on Next. Now from here, you are able to edit your Reel. After you are done with editing, click on Next. Now from this page, you can write a caption. Likewise, you can tag people, add message button, add topics, rename the audio, add location. After you customize all these settings, head towards the option of Advanced Settings. Now here you will find the option Schedule this Reel. Toggle on for this option. Now select the date and time. After you select it, click on Set Time. From this page, you are able to customize other settings as well. After you are done, you can head back. Now click on Next. Click on Share. It's in the process to be scheduled. And with that, I have just scheduled Instagram Reel. So this is how you can easily schedule Instagram Reels. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.